Whoa, excuse me, sir. I couldn't help but notice your incredible hand speed. Have you considered a career in professional pickleball?
Pickle what?
Well, just sign here. Congratulations, you're now a Selkirk Pro.
Sure. Why not?
Oh, hold up, young lady. I've noticed you've got some seriously good pronation there. Have you considered professional pickleball?
I'm sorry, what?
Just sign here, don't you worry.
Okay.
Congratulations, you're now a Selkirk Pro.
Okay.
Oh, hold up, 1 second. Just hold that position. Yep, that's what I thought. I think you've got the leg strength to make it in pro pickleball. How do you feel about that?
Who are you and how did you get in here?
Not to worry, just sign here. Perfect. Congratulations, you're now a Selkirk Pro.
Whatever that means.
You're gonna take up this much of the couch and the remote?
Feels good to me.
Well, it looks like you two understand professional mixed doubles perfectly. Just sign here, please.
Oh. And date it too?
Yeah, why not? Well, congratulations. You two are now Selkirk Pros.
Yeah!
If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're a Selkirk Pro.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and a special shout out to Public House in Temecula, California. You know, this restaurant always lets us film our comedy pickleball skits here, and if you're ever in Temecula and you want some good food and service, check them out. Now, if you really love that skit and you want to keep laughing, then click this video right here and keep going. This one is seriously gonna laugh your pickleballs off, so click that one right there and keep on going, guys. Go ahead and click it. Seriously, click that one right here. Stop watching me and click that one. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Click it.